Our next guest is with a company that specializes in cross-platform solutions and hosting and cloud services enablement. Wow, that sounds interesting, but you're going to know the company, especially if you're a Mac user. The company is Parallels. He is Vice President of Parallels. Nick Dobrovolskiy. Tell me one more time.
Nick Dobrovolskiy.
Dobrovolskiy. See, now I got it when you cued me appropriately. So, Nick, welcome to the program. Glad to have you with us. How are you?
Hello. Thank you very much. Very good.
It's a pleasure. What is Parallels announcing here at IFA?
So we are introducing two products. One is the new version of Parallels Desktop, which is Parallels Desktop 9 for Mac.
Already up to 9?
Yeah,
wow.
The leading solution that allows you to run Windows applications on your Mac.
Gotcha.
Effectively. And the second would be Parallels Access. This is actually a solution for iPad and your Mac and PC. The thing that allows you to run, to access your applications from Windows and Mac on your iPad in an iPad way, like they are made for iPad. So we amplify your universe.
So if I'm not a Mac user, but I have an iPad, there are things I can do even with the iPad, being a Windows guy?
Exactly. You can have like Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, Excel on your iPad running remotely on your PC, but in an iPad way.
Oh, kind of cool. Well, can you give us a little demo? I see that you brought an iPad, so we'll get Chris to kind of zoom in with his camera and make sure that it's not glaring. Go, and there you go. We'll get Nick to show us. To keep in mind, if you're listening on the radio, driving or otherwise, swing by intotomorrow.com when you can, and you'll be able to see all the interviews that we're doing on video and showing all the cool products here from Berlin. So, Nick, what do you got for us here?
So I have here the application launcher in Parallels Access, and you can see that I have some of my favorite Windows applications. I can launch Word.
I'm noticing you even had Paint on there, so there's all sorts of things.
And this is Word full screen running remotely far away from here on my desk at my office, but I have it full screen on my iPad, and I can open a file. You can see that I can actually swipe up, down. I can zoom in, I can zoom out.
And you do it just like you would normally do things with your iPad, pinching and unpinching.
Like a normal iPad application. I can double tap to select a word, and I can use those small pins to adjust my selection. I can then cut, and this works exactly. This is Microsoft Word, but everything works like in a native iPad application.
Nice.
And so then if you need to resize something, I want to drag and drop that small thing. I just wait for this small animation and drag with one finger.
So again he's enlarging a picture.
Yeah, drag and drop with one finger on an iPad in an iPad way. Or if, let's say, I want to triple tap to select a whole paragraph, and then I want to change the color of that paragraph, I can barely miss, and very easy to miss. So I get this magnifying glass and I release it.
He's sort of mouse overing with his finger and selecting a different color for the text in this case.
I release it, and there is it, the yellow color.
Nice.
Now this is how we amplify your Windows and Mac applications on an iPad, and this fully integrates with Parallels Desktop. So the Parallels Desktop version 9, it allows you to, it brings more cloud integration, more better integration with between Mac and Windows. Things like dictionary gesture work now. Your Windows 8 can be configured in previous Windows 7 classic style with normal Win Start menu and with Metro applications running in Windows, etc., etc. We have the print to PDF feature, so every Windows applications can print to PDF like every Mac application. So more and more integration back to our favorite Mac users on running Windows and Mac.
And again, on the iPad, this is an app, I'm assuming, right, that we're downloading?
Yeah, this is the app which is available from the App Store, from the iTunes App Store.
What does it cost? Do you know, in US dollars?
It is free. The app itself is free,
all right.
but we have a subscription for every computer, For Mac, we have a subscription which is $80 per year.
Okay.
For accessing your Macs. Windows is in beta currently, and we give it for 90 days for free.
Terrific. You guys with Parallels, especially Mac folk, know that for years you have helped them do some pretty amazing things with their computer. Are you ever going to do Parallels for Windows? For me as a Windows user to get to a Mac?
Yeah, we already made it for you to get from iPad to your Windows.
Well, in that sense, yeah.
But also you can get all the solutions at parallels.com. They are available for free for trial, for download, both Parallels Desktop and Parallels Access. And then you can buy subscription or go with a full version of Parallels Desktop.
Terrific. Well, Nick, thanks for joining us here on the program, and keep making cool stuff. We'll talk about it some more.
Thank you very much. Sure.
It's our pleasure. That wraps up today's IFA Part 1. Next week, we're still here in Berlin for IFA Part 2 and another 3 hours of the radio broadcast and videos of all of the interviews. So do check it all out at intotomorrow.com.